Vijayanagar Bamini Kingdom. Vijayanagar was founded in 1336 by Harihara and Bukka of the Sangama dynasty. They were originally served under the Kakatiya rulers of Warangal. They proclaimed their independence and founded a new city on the southern bank of Tungabhadra river. It was called Vijayanagar, meaning city of victory. The decline of Hoysalia kingdom enabled Harihara and Bukka to expand their newly founded kingdom. By 1346, they brought the whole of Hoysala kingdom under their control. The conflict between Vijayanagar Empire and Bamini kingdom lasted for many years. The dispute over Raichur Doab, the region between the rivers Krishna and Tungabhadra, and also over the fertile areas of Krishna Godavari Delta led to this long-drawn conflict. The greatest of the Vijayanagara rulers, Krishnadevaraya, belonged to the Tuluva dynasty. He possessed great military ability. His imposing personality was accompanied by high intellectual quality. He repaired most of the temples of South India. He also built the famous Vitala Swami and Azara Ramaswamy temples at Vijayanagar. After his death, Achyuta Deva and Venkata succeeded the throne. During the reign of Ramaraya, the combined forces of Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Golconda and Bidar defeated him at the Battle of Talikota in 1565. This battle is also known as Raksasa Tangadi. Ramaraya was imprisoned and executed. The city of Vijayanagar was destroyed. This battle was generally considered to mark the end of the Vijayanagar Empire. Bamini Kingdom. The founder of Bamini Kingdom was Alauddin Baman Shah, also known as Hasan Gangu, in 1347. Its capital was Gulbarga. There were a total of 14 sultans ruling over this kingdom. Among them, Alauddin Baman Shah, Muhammad Shah I, Firoz Shah were very important kings. Ahmad Wali Shah shifted the capital from Gulbarga to Bidar. The power of Bamini kingdom reached its peak under the rule of Muhammad Shah III. The success of Muhammad Shah was due to the advice and services of his minister Muhammad Gawan. He was a Persian merchant. He came to India at the age of 42 and joined the services of Bamini kingdom. Slowly, he became the chief minister due to his personal qualities. He remained loyal to the kingdom. He was also a military genius. He waged successful wars against Vijayanagar, Orissa and the sea pirates on the Arabian Sea. His conquests include Konkan, Goa and Krishna Godavari Delta. Thus, he expanded the Bamini Empire through his conquest. Muhammad Shah was succeeded by weak sultans. During this period, the provincial governors declared their independence. By the year 1526, the Bamini kingdom had disintegrated into 5 independent sultanates. They were Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Bidar, Golconda and Bidar, and known as Deccan Sultanates.